since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sis.
Hey, what's up, people of God? It's your girl Afro. Toun, and guys, welcome back to another amazing vlog. So this is morning, and I'm having practicals today. Yes, I'm having practical by 12, but I have a class before that. And as you know, your girl is not about to play. So I know my hair is not yet done. I'm looking all raggedy and all of that. But you know what? I've had my bath. So I'm just ready for school, and I think I should get dressed already. So let's start. Guys, what's happened to my voice? So I'm almost ready for school. I'm actually having practicals today, so I don't want to I don't want to waste my time on making up my face and all that. Normally, I don't do makeups normally when I go to school, but I like to line my lips. But this morning, I don't have the power for that. We're not doing any of that, and yet my skin has been breaking out. Like seriously, I've been having breakouts. I don't know what's happening. I don't know, but. The next one we're going to play is also another Afro beat. Yeah.
Never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have learned the way you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight on me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.